Let's make this tasty jackfruit biryani today. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's look at the recipe. Add the jackfruit cut in cubic shape in the pressure cooker. Add turmeric powder and salt to it. Cook it until the first whistle. After you have boiled it, let's marinate the jackfruit. To marinate, add curd in any bowl, ginger garlic paste, chili paste, cumin and coriander paste, turmeric powder and deep fried onions. Mix it well and add jackfruit that we boiled earlier. Add salt, mustard oil and mix it and let it marinate for 1 hour. Now let's cook the rice for the biryani. Add bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, cloves and rice. Remember that for every 1 cup of rice, add 5 to 6 cups of water. So add accordingly. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, stir it and cook it until the rice is 70% cooked. Let's make the masala for the biryani. First add oil to the frying pan, bay leaf, finely chopped onions and fry it until they are golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add the jackfruit that we marinated earlier and cook it around 10 minutes. Add a little water and let it cook for a while until they are soft and mushy. Now let's start layering the rice for the dum. With the first layer being the rice and the second layer being the jackfruit, keep doing this alternatively. Then add some coriander leaves and fried onions on top. Also add some ghee. Close the lid and cook it for 15 minutes in low flame. Finally, your meal is ready to be served. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can bring more tasty dishes for you. Enjoy your meal.